Hello everyone. So this is Raghav Kananu and this video is all about the research report of the our project digital image processing. So let's get started. So this is first topic is review of literature. So we are going to discuss the history of image processing. Uh, so digital image processing is developed in 1960s um, at Jet Proportion Laboratory. After that, it grows from Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT) to the University of Maryland. So basically, the price of processing an image, working on the image processing, is quite high, as it requires the system requirements is quite high. It needs large amount of space and uh, many complex programs are required to process the image. So at that time, uh, it requires a large amount of money to process the image. So as soon as the technologies are developed, the cost also decreases, and nowadays the image processing is growing and will still grow further. So with the development of fast computer available in 2000, image processing has become one of the most common form of image processing. So this is all about the history. So next is research gap. So our report is all about detection of edges from the manipulated image. So this is basic program, basic requirement for the program. As soon as we go for the manipulation, we will go to the detection of edges, learn about the algorithms to detect the images, and then further we will go for the extraordinary features that makes our project uh, make unique and make efficient. So work on the digital image processing has been done since 1960s, yes, and as the growing technologies increases, the requirement also increases, which leads the addition of more efficient features. Yeah, there are many advanced featured videos. Oh, videos! I said projects which are quite more efficient and quite has less accurate, more accuracy in their algorithms. So we have a little raw idea about the self-driving cars uh, with the with their time detection, but this idea is quite raw, and we will work on this idea and further add this feature to our project. So what is the methodology? So at first we'll get an input as an image, and then that particular image is converted into 2D image. It is gray color image, and then it is given to the edge detector software, and through this software and the algorithms, with the help of algorithms, the edge of the image is being detected. Then furthermore usage can be done through this. So this is our basic methods implementation. So actually we didn't uh, implemented our code, but yes, we had started working on the GUI using C++. As much as we are learning, we will add up code to our files and logbooks, and it requires lots amount of time. So yes, we are still working on this. So what are the limitations of this image processing? So the first limitation is time consuming. Yes, it requires lots amount of time, and second is cost effective, as the taking software is quite high. Yes, cost is quite high. Actually cost, it will come, cost is quite high because um, if, such as MATLAB software. Its standard price is 1.5 lakhs, and the academic version is of 28,500. So yes, it is quite high. But we as as the if you are not if you want free platforms, there are many free platform also, but with less features. So yes, so second third is more complex programs are required. So yes, more complex programs are also required for the image processing. And yes, fourth is quite important, that is it does not have noise cancellation feature, and which leads to the inaccuracy of the result. So yes, this is one of the most important disadvantage, you can say. So this is it